Hello everyone. In today's world, we often perceive life as being busy, chaotic, and stressful, always on the go, which often leads to feelings of being overwhelmed, exhausted, fatigued, anxious, and much more. And with the continuous use of digital technology, our eyes too get tired. Like our body and mind need rest and care, eyes, being one of the most important sense organs of our body, too require a certain amount of attention and care, like any other body parts. With increased use of technology in workplaces and daily life, most people suffer from eye problems, big or small. It is possible to maintain and improve our eyesight by following some simple and easy eye exercises daily. The palming therapy or palming exercise is one of my favorite exercises for relaxation. So in this video, we shall know about palming, the benefits of palming exercise, and how it has to be done. Palming means covering your closed eyes with your palms. This method is perfect for the relaxation of the whole mind and body. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to get the relaxation level needed, but other times it is almost immediate. Now let's have a look at the benefits of palming exercise. Palming gives our eyes not only much needed rest from computer and other eye straining work, but it is the best and easiest tool to relearn to relax the eyes. Palming offers the beginners the opportunity to slip into the rejuvenating pool of relaxation, letting go of tension, stress, worries. The darkness, energy, and warmth of the hands covering the eyes lets muscles and the mind relax. Without a relaxed mind, we literally cannot focus visually and mentally. Thus, palming not only helps to relax our mind and body, but it also helps in increasing our concentration levels. Palming is useful as a remedy for tired, strained, dry eyes when your vision gets blurry after a long day or when getting a headache. If you have recurring symptoms like the ones described, you would ideally prevent them from occurring by palming beforehand or as a regular routine, example in the morning and evening, to start and end each day with the memory of relaxed eyes. Think of it as maintenance, like stretching your muscles after exercise to stay flexible and nimble. Like stretching, palming works to alleviate the symptoms and reverse the effects of your daily tiresome routine. Your shoulders, neck, and other tight spots will start to loosen almost instantly. And with regular practice, you may begin to notice clearer vision, a reduction in headaches and dry eyes, and a more stabilized mood. It can also help to release facial muscles and naturally reduce frown lines. The warmth of your hands relaxes the 6 muscles around each eye and attracts more energy and blood flow. The darkness relaxes the ciliary muscles, retina, and optic nerves. So whenever you feel tired, just take a few minutes break and practice the palming therapy and you will feel relaxed. Now let's see how to do palming. Palming is a very easy yet effective technique. Even a small child can perform it with ease. It just involves a few simple steps and you are ready to go. So here we go. Keep your legs relaxed with feet flat on the floor, except when you are lying down. It's good to feel grounded and connected. That also helps in blood circulation. So make sure you're not crossing over the legs or ankles, but keep the legs parallel. Lean back in the chair if that is comfortable. Rub your palms against each other until they become warm. Rub them for approximately 20 seconds. Place one palm over each eye. Make sure that your palm does not touch your eyeballs. Also, make sure they do not exert any pressure on your eyeballs in any way. Rest your shoulders on some surface so that your arms don't feel tired. Relax your body and then focus only on the darkness around your eyes. Don't think about the course you have to do, your work, your laptop, your mobile, or anything else. Try relaxing every part of your body as much as possible. Forget about every worry you have. The more relaxed you are, the darker the black color will be. In the beginning, it might be grayish, but as you progress, it will become darker and darker. While doing palming therapy, you can practice BREATHSOUL breathing, which will help you focus and relax and will also benefit your health in many ways. For knowing about BREATHSOUL breathing, watch my video about BREATHSOUL therapy. The link is provided in the description. The key to successful palming is a comfortable position. There are many positions that can work. Most important, if you want to palm for more than a few minutes, is elbow support. Without it, your arms will tire quickly, tensing up the shoulders and neck. There are several ways to support the elbows depending on your position, like pillows, blankets, tabletop, knees, back of the chair, palming stick, etc. The duration of palming really depends on your situation. In general, older people benefit from longer palming sessions, whereas children are often relaxed after a minute or two. Find at least 5 minutes without disturbance each day to practice palming. Try the first few moments of your lunch break or right after the school day. You can do palming before bed or get into the habit of preventative relaxation by palming in the morning to alleviate the stress and tension before it builds. You can do palming anytime during the day whenever you feel tired. Your eyes feel tired. Experiment it yourself and see what gets you the best results. In general, palming twice a day for a longer period, say 15 to 30 minutes in the morning and evening, and then as needed during the day, is a great way to start when you want to improve your vision and relaxation. If you suffer from eye disease, longer palming is necessary to give your eyes the much needed rest. Keep a daily log of your palming and write down how you felt afterwards. You might quickly notice a pattern and then customize your palming frequency and length to what works best for you. So, palming is the most common but effective exercise which you can do even while at your workplace. Just close your eyes, rest your elbows on the tabletop, and cover your eyes with your palm. Keep breathing calmly and get the feeling of relaxation pass over your eyes. With more practice, palming delivers better results. Perfect blackness during palming equals to perfect relaxation, and perfect relaxation equals to perfect vision. So happy palming. Wish you a healthy life forever. Thank you for watching the video.